Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to manage users in Podio. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to answer a question that might be on your mind. Why should you care about managing users in Podio? Well, think of it this way. Podio is like your digital workspace, and just like any physical workspace, you need to make sure the right people have access to the right things. By managing your users effectively, you can ensure that everyone has the permissions they need to do their jobs, while also keeping your data secure. So, let's get started. How to manage users in Podio. Log in to your Podio account as an admin. If you're not an admin, you won't be able to make changes to user accounts. Click on the Admin tab. This is where you'll find all of your user management settings. Click on Users. This will take you to the user management page. From here, you can add, edit, or delete users. To add a new user, simply click on the Add User button. You'll need to provide their name, email address, and password. You can also assign them to specific workspaces and roles. To edit an existing user, simply click on their name. You can then make changes to their information, such as their name, email address, password, and roles. To delete a user, simply click on the Delete button next to their name. You can also manage user roles. Roles determine what permissions a user has in Podio. There are 3 different roles. Admin. Admins have full access to all features of Podio. Members have access to most features of Podio, but they cannot create or delete workspaces or users. Guests have limited access to Podio. They can only view and edit items that they have been specifically invited to. To manage user roles, simply click on the Roles tab in the User Management page. You can also manage user workspaces. Workspaces are like folders for your Podio data. Each workspace has its own set of users and permissions. To manage user workspaces, simply click on the Workspaces tab in the User Management page. Additional tips. It's a good idea to create different roles for different types of users. This will help you to ensure that everyone has the permissions they need to do their jobs. You can use the search bar to find specific users. You can export a list of all users to a CSV file. You can also import a list of users from a CSV file. Managing users in Podio is a simple process that can help you to keep your workspace organized and secure. By following the tips in this video, you can make sure that everyone has the access they need to do their jobs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Podio NG.